Have you ever watched a movie that kept you glued to the screen from beginning to end and wondered how it all started? Before the actors, cameras, special effects, and music, there was a script. Every unforgettable scene, surprising twist, and memorable line of dialogue began as words on a page. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Screenwriting is the art and craft of writing scripts for films, television shows, streaming series, and other visual media. Unlike novels, which can spend pages describing thoughts and settings, screenplays must tell stories through action, dialogue, and visuals. A screenwriter's job is to create a blueprint that directors, actors, and production teams can bring to life. Today, we'll explore the key concepts that make screenwriting such a powerful form of storytelling. The first key idea is that screenwriting is visual storytelling. One of the biggest differences between screenwriting and other forms of writing is that audiences see the story unfold rather than read lengthy explanations. Instead of writing what a character thinks, screenwriters focus on what a character does. For example, rather than saying a character feels nervous, the script might show them tapping their foot, avoiding eye contact, or repeatedly checking their watch. The takeaway is simple: show, don't tell. The second concept is structure. Most successful screenplays follow a framework that helps keep audiences engaged. While there are many variations, stories often have a beginning, middle, and end. The beginning introduces characters and conflict. The middle raises stakes and obstacles. The ending delivers resolution and transformation. Think about your favorite movies. Chances are they follow a structure that guides viewers through a satisfying emotional journey. The insight here is that structure provides the foundation for storytelling. Characters are another essential element. Great stories are driven by compelling characters with goals, motivations, strengths, and flaws. Audiences connect with characters who feel human, even in fantasy or science fiction worlds. A hero without flaws may seem unrealistic, while a flawed character striving to overcome challenges feels relatable. The key takeaway is that memorable characters often matter more than elaborate plots. Conflict is what keeps stories moving forward. Without conflict, there is little reason for an audience to stay invested. Conflict can come from external forces, such as villains, disasters, or competition. It can also come from internal struggles, such as fear, doubt, or difficult choices. The most engaging stories often combine both. The insight is that conflict creates tension, and tension creates interest. Dialogue is another critical aspect of screenwriting. Great dialogue does more than provide information. It reveals personality, builds relationships, creates conflict, and moves the story forward. Each character should sound distinct rather than speaking with the same voice. Strong dialogue often feels natural while serving a specific purpose within the story. The takeaway: every line should earn its place. Another important concept is pacing. Movies and television episodes have limited time to tell their stories. Every scene must contribute something meaningful, whether it's character development, plot progression, or emotional impact. Scenes that don't serve a purpose can slow the story down. Effective pacing keeps audiences engaged and creates momentum from beginning to end. The insight here is that good screenwriting values efficiency. Theme also plays a powerful role. Beneath every story is often a deeper message or question. A screenplay about sports may really be about perseverance. A science fiction adventure may explore human nature. A romantic comedy may examine vulnerability and trust. Themes give stories depth and make them resonate long after the credits roll. The takeaway is that great stories entertain while also saying something meaningful. Rewriting is another reality every screenwriter must embrace. Very few successful screenplays emerge perfectly on the first draft. In fact, much of screenwriting involves revision. Writers refine dialogue, strengthen scenes, improve structure, and sharpen character arcs. Some of the best moments in a screenplay appear during the rewriting process rather than the initial draft. The insight: writing creates possibilities, but rewriting creates quality. Imagine a writer developing a screenplay about a struggling musician. At first, they have only a basic idea. They create a character with a dream, introduce obstacles that threaten that dream, and build scenes that reveal growth and setbacks. Through multiple drafts, the story becomes more focused, the dialogue stronger, and the emotional impact greater. Eventually, what started as a simple concept becomes a complete cinematic experience. When you step back, screenwriting is about much more than formatting pages or writing dialogue. It's about creating experiences that audiences can see, hear, and feel. Through structure, character, conflict, pacing, and theme, screenwriters transform ideas into stories that entertain and inspire. Every great film begins with a blank page, but every unforgettable story begins with the courage to write the first scene. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.